Rogers Ignite TV voice remotes rely on a Bluetooth connection to your set-top box and a stable internet connection to Rogers' servers for voice processing. If your voice control isn't working, it's likely due to one of two main issues: a pairing problem between the remote and the STB, or a network connectivity issue preventing the remote from communicating with Rogers' voice recognition servers. Software glitches or dead batteries can also be a factor. This section will guide you through the most common fixes, repairing, and network checks to get your voice remote working again. First, try repairing your remote. To do this, go to Settings on your Rogers STB, then select Remote and choose Unpair. After it's unpaired, hold down the microphone button on the remote until the LED flashes, then follow the on-screen prompts to repair. If repairing doesn't work, check your network connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. At least 10 megabit per sec is recommended. You can check this via the STB's Diagnostics menu or the My Rogers app. Try rebooting your modem and router. If using Wi-Fi, switch to the 5 GHz band for a potentially more stable connection, or try using an Ethernet cable for a direct connection to your STB. As of recent updates in 2025, Rogers has improved Bluetooth stability, so repairing should be more effective. If problems persist, consider updating your Rogers Ignite TV app and STB firmware to the latest version. This resolves voice control bugs. These steps solve most remote issues.